developed by OpenAI, is one of the most advanced conversational AI models available today. Many individuals and businesses have found innovative ways to monetize its capabilities. Here are some methods to make money with chat. 1. Content creation. Use chat to generate articles, blog posts, and other written content. 2. Customer support. Implement chat as a first-line customer support agent to handle common queries. 3. Tutoring and education. Use the model to assist in online tutoring platforms, answering student queries in real time. 4. Game development. Incorporate chat into video games as an intelligent NPC or dialogue system. 5. Chatbots for websites. Offer customized chatbot solutions for businesses using chat. 6. Research and data analysis. Use the model to analyze vast amounts of text data quickly. 7. Language translation. While not its primary function, chatgpt can assist in translating languages. 8. Workshops and training. Conduct workshops teaching others how to implement and use chat effectively. 9. Affiliate marketing. Recommend chat and earn a commission for every sale through your referral. 10. App development. Create applications that leverage chat's capabilities and sell them on platforms like the App Store or Google Play. Remember, while chat offers numerous opportunities, always ensure you're adhering to OpenAI's usage policies and terms of service.